Hello everybody and welcome back. We're on to question number 22 on the 7th grade level Gauss competition from 2003. Luke has played 20 games and has a 95% winning percentage. And 95% win rate. 95% of these 20 games he won. And we can work out what that is. It's going to be 19 games that he won and 1 that he lost. But let's continue reading before we start working that stuff out. Without losing any more games, how many more games in a row must he win to reach exactly a 96% winning percentage? Okay. So our question is, how many more games does he need to win to make his average 96%? So our answer will be, he needs to have won the next 4 games in a row, or 3, or 10. These are just the possible answers they're giving us. Okay? So, what we need to do is figure out a way to calculate what his average is based on the number of games that he wins in a row from now on. So after his 20th game, then we start counting. So we'll say Luke won X number of games. He wins X more games. And we can figure out his winning percentage based on that X. And then we can set that equal to the 96 that we want. And hopefully we can rearrange and solve for X. And X will be one of our 5 choices. 1, 3, 4, 5, or 10. Okay? So let's see how to go about doing that. First, I'd like to know how many games he's already won. Okay? So we're going to flip our page here. The reason I want to know how many games he's won is because I need to calculate his total winning percentage. And that's 100%, but it's a fraction of 100%. What's that fraction? The number of games won over the number of games played. For example, we are told that after 20 games, he has a 95% win rate. So, the games won over the games played, well, he played 20 games. They told us that in the question. So now what we can do is rearrange this. We can multiply by 20 on both sides, divide by 100% on both sides. And that will tell us how many games Luke already won at the start of the question. Okay. So percent signs cancel out, and the 100 and 95, they both have factors of 5. There'll be a 20 down here and a 19 up here. And then this 20 and this 20 cancel out. And we'll be able to say 19. So Luke already won 19 games. That's how many he'd won at the start of the question. So we're going to let X be the number of extra, aside from these 19. So the extra games that he won. Remember, where he's not losing anymore, he's just winning straight in a row. So we're asking how many more games does he need to win to get 96%. So 96 is what we want, and that's our winning percentage, so that's 100%. Times the games he won. Well, he won 19 already, and then we're saying he won X more. Over how many games he played. Well, he played 20 already, and he hasn't lost any more games, and he's won X of them. There will be X more games that he played. Okay? See how that's set up? So now we can rearrange and hopefully get an equation for X. What I can do is I can multiply by 20 plus X. Just as I did before, divide by 100% on both sides. I'll be left with 19 plus X there. So the percents are going to cancel out. Both 96 and 100 are multiples of 4. Okay, this one's 24 times 4. This one's 25 times 4. So we're going to get 24 over 25 times 20 plus X is equal to 19 plus x. Well, I can multiply the 24 over 25 in. I just have to multiply it by the 20. And that'll be 4 over 5. So 11. 24 times 20 over 25. Plus 24 over 25x is equal to 19 plus x. Okay, so what we could do is we could, work out what this fraction is, the 24 times 20 over 25, that'd be fine. We can work out, and then we can subtract it off of 19. But we're going to get some weird numbers. So to make it easier on myself, I'm just going to multiply both sides by 25. So I'm going to get 24 times 20. And that's a nice number. I don't even need to pick up my calculator to do that. 24 times x. 25 times 19. And 25 times x. Now if we bring the 24x onto this side, the 25 times 19 onto this side, we get 24 times 20, that's 480. Minus 25 times 19. What's 25 times 19? It's going to be 19 times 25. Just grabbing my calculator here. 475. There we go. Okay. And that's going to be 25x minus 24x. Well, 25x minus 24x, that's just an x. And 480 minus 475, that's just 5. So Luke's got to win 5 games in a row in order to get that 96% win percentage. And 5 was one of our answers. It's D. Okay. That's question number 22. Onward to the next question, question 23, but we'll take a look at that in the next video. Thanks for watching.